Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this Ctronics 4G LTE outdoor solar surveillance camera with SIM card. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how we can use it. Included we have the cable Type A to Type C to charge this camera before the first use. Included we have the drilling template. Scan the QR code for more information. The manual, if you want to read this your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. Included we have this bracket, adjustable, up and down. You can rotate with a screw. You can install the bracket here at the camera, at the top of the camera. Tight it very well. And then we have in the solar panel, 5 watts solar panel. You can install it on the top of the camera. Rotate and it locks. So you will have the solar panel in the top of the camera. Later I will show you in the final installation. Or if you want to have the solar panel 3 meters away from the camera, because that is the length of the cable, 3 meters, Type C connection. There it is. You need to remove this bracket. We have these 2 screws. Install the bracket at the wall and then take this bracket and install the bracket here at the solar panel. And then you can mount the solar panel with this bracket at the wall. I like it, that is very clever. Included we have screws to use for mounting the solar panel and the camera. There is the bracket. You can use the drilling template. There it is. Top. Make the screw holes, install the bracket at the wall, and then the camera here. And it locks. And unlock. And this template, you can use it for this bracket. We have a built-in 10,400 mAh battery, provides non-stop power at the camera. Together, of course, with a solar panel, is charging the battery, so you will have endless power. Adjustable antennas, up and down. IP66 waterproof housing. It can operate in all weather conditions without any problem. .2K lens with 4x digital zoom gives you a wider field of view to see more detail. 350 degrees pan and 100 degrees tilt function for 360 degrees field of view. We have 6 LED lights for color night vision, or infrared LEDs for night vision with a range up to 25 meters. With built-in microphone and speaker at the back for two-way audio communication. And here, remove that. Preloaded nano SIM card with 300 MB of test data for quick setup. You can use this tool if you want to replace the SIM card. Press and remove. AY Club, the SIM card. Press and install. The reset button. Micro SD card to record footage with a capacity of up to 128 GB. and also supports the Ctronics Pro App Cloud service. Seal it very well. There it is. And here at the back, at the base of the camera, you can install the solar panel and give power to the camera from the solar panel. And we have here and the on-off switch. Seal it very well. No water will go inside and damage the camera. And of course, for the first time, as I mentioned, we need to charge the camera. You need a 5V 2A power adapter, charge it, and then start the setup. Switching on the camera. At the front we have the LED indicator, the photosensitive sensor here, and the PIR sensor for the human detection. Ctronics app.
Network is moving.
Add camera, scan QR code. Connecting. And it is online. 4G connection. That was so easy to connect your new 4G camera.
The Ctronics 4G solar surveillance camera is a cutting-edge solution for monitoring outdoor spaces in remote or off-grid locations. Combining cellular connectivity with solar power, this camera ensures reliable surveillance without relying on Wi-Fi or electrical outlets, delivers clear and sharp footage for accurate monitoring, with wide area coverage to minimize blind spots.
Now you can activate or deactivate the mirror. Flip the screen. Infrared lights, it is off. Choose automatic if you want, or just open. I will show you at the night how it looks. Automatic. White light, the same in here. You can open, shut down, automatic. You can mute and unmute the speaker and speak with anyone in front of the camera.
The two-way audio system includes a built-in microphone and speaker that deliver clear sound for real-time communication, allowing you to interact with visitors or deter intruders remotely via the associate mobile app.
And stop. You can take a screenshot, save the phone album, and you can start recording. I am already recording right now. And you can choose HD or ST resolution. HD, it is the highest. And of course you can navigate left and right, up and down. Due to battery operation, the camera will only record for a maximum of 30 seconds when motion is detected and will continue to record until motion ceases. Now let's move on at the settings. You can change the password, low power settings and recording, power mode, you can access, you can choose stream setting, first stream or second stream. The camera will automatically restart. Scene to be used, indoor or outdoor. Outdoor for me. Action with alarm, you can activate or deactivate the notification. Push name, you can rename. PIR alarm, activate, deactivate. Sensitivity, low, medium or high. Humanoid alarm, you can activate. Alarm time period setting, easy setup or advanced. And you can delete or add time domain. Start alarm time, choose the hour and the minute, and the end alarm time. Easy setup, it is better. Alarm SD record, you can enable or disable. Alarm recording direction 10 or 30 seconds. Save videos to FTP server, activate or deactivate. Audio setting, line in, and for the microphone, you can choose the input volume from 1 to 100% and the output volume from 1 to 100%. Video setting, first stream, and you can choose the bit rate maximum 6144, the frame rate, the image quality, second stream, bit rate, frame rate, image quality, and video format 50 or 60 Hz and apply. I think these settings are very good. SD card setting, you can format, check the available space. Time setting, you can adjust. FTP setting, if you choose to save the files at your FTP server, you need to adjust these settings. System setting, reboot and reset the camera, and device information. Now let's move on at the night and check the video quality. Hello my viewers, here I am at the night and I'm looking great. Infrared LEDs and spotlight enable both black and white and full color night vision for clear images in low light conditions.
And that's the Ctronics 4G outdoor solar surveillance camera with its reliable solar powered operation, seamless 4G connectivity and advanced security features. This camera is the ultimate solution for remote monitoring, whether it's keeping an eye on your home, farm or construction site. This device ensures you're always connected and in control. If this review was helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tech reviews, smart security tips and setup guides. If you want to find out more about this product and where you can buy it, you can check the link down below in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay secure, stay connected, and I'll see you in the next video.